Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect WhatsApp to Meta Business Suite. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, log into the Meta account you want to use. Once you're inside, navigate to the left-hand menu and open the Settings section. If you don't immediately see these options, try switching to your business portfolio or returning to the home screen and accessing settings from there. After entering settings, click on this Profile tab and you will see this type of interface. Here, go to the Accounts section. Here, you should find an option for WhatsApp accounts. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can manage or add a WhatsApp account. If you haven't connected one yet, it will show that no accounts are currently linked. Click on the Add button, which may appear in the center of the screen or in the top right corner. You'll then have two choices: either create a new WhatsApp business account or connect an existing one. If you don't already have a WhatsApp business account, select the option to create a new one. You'll be asked to provide some basic details, including your business information and a phone number. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify the number and complete the setup. If you already have a WhatsApp business account, choose the option to link it instead. Enter your phone number along with the correct country code, then click Continue. Follow the remaining prompts to verify and finalize the connection. Once completed, your WhatsApp account will be successfully linked to Meta Business Suite, allowing you to manage communications directly from the platform. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect WhatsApp to Meta Business Suite. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.